Feeling overwhelmed by bills and expenses? You're not alone. But what if you could save money fast without sacrificing the things you love? First, track your spending. It's easy to lose track of where your money goes, but by keeping a record of every purchase, you'll quickly see where you can cut back. Next, try the 30-day rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. If you still want it after that time, reconsider. But chances are, the urge will have passed. Another trick is to cook at home. Eating out can add up quickly, but by preparing your meals, you can save big. Plus, you'll have more control over what you're putting in your body. And don't forget about entertainment. Instead of going to the movies, try a movie night at home. Or, instead of buying books, visit your local library. Lastly, make a budget. It might seem daunting, but by setting a limit for each category of spending, you'll be able to see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. These simple tricks can make a big difference in your bank account. Give them a try and start saving money fast. Comment what saving tip you will be trying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money management tips or